Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. Let me show you how to use Virusdie built-in file manager. It's incredibly handy because Virusdie allows you to see all the files on your website in a habitual way. To use it, click on the website line and navigate to the File Manager tab. Now you can see all the folders and files of your website. If you see the red mark near the folder or file name, it means there's something wrong with it. Navigate to the infected file, and here you have two options. You can add the file to the exceptions, or you can delete it permanently from the server. But be careful, there's no Ctrl+Z for this action. You can process them one by one, or you can perform batch operations as well. If you want to know what's exactly wrong with the file, click on it and this will bring you to the editor, when you can see the malicious code highlighted with red. Here you can also permanently delete the file or download it to your computer for future analysis or as a backup. This is how you work with the Virusdie built-in file manager. If you have any questions, you can look up at the knowledge base at virusdie.com/FAQ, or you can create a ticket to tech support from here.